Hi everyone, this is Emilia.arau at Compass. Today is Friday, Black Friday, during the Thanksgiving weekend. I hope you're enjoying it with your family, with your friends, with your loved ones, and that we are all counting our blessings, as my grandmother used to say. So the market is shifting a little bit, it's stalling a little bit, but still there's a lot of activity. I just closed one escrow 2 days ago for my buyer in West Adams, a single family home for $749,000, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, gorgeous place. I am in escrow in Village Grn right now for a unit, 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, asking $475,000. I am currently also in escrow representing a buyer up north, buying some land with a mobile home for $75,000 up north in Clear Lake Oak. And I am selling a gorgeous remodeled and restored 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom in Village Grn with 2 balconies and a gorgeous open floor plan in Village Grn, asking $535,000. I'm going to have an open house this Sunday for the Black Friday weekend. Now that you're in the shopping mode. 124, it is 5148.5, 5148.5, Village Grn, Los Angeles 90016. I'll be there 124. So if anything, if you have any questions, if you know anybody who is interested in buying, if you want anybody to sell, if you know of anyone, please let me know. I'll be here during the holidays. I'm here open for new business, for repeating business. I'm very proud to treat my clients at top customer service, and I'm very proud of that. So give me a call, 310-963-0683, and I hope to see you here on Sunday, 124 5148.5, Village Grn. Thank you so much. Thank you for your business. Thank you for being there and for sharing this video with anyone who you think may be of need of my services. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.